Here we have this clock that I cleaned up after the hunt. 8-day cuckoo clock at E Schmeckenbecher. And here's my new visor, magnifying visor that I got at Hobby Lobby today. It cost me a little bit more than my previous visors, but it works a lot better. And here's some beads that I purchased today at Hobby Lobby. It's actually cheap. They were typically $15.99. I got them for $3.99. And I'm going to, I think I could take one of these beads and replace the pheasant eye. And so that's the plan. If I can do that, that'd be great. I think I could do that. I just never done it before, and I think I could do it. And we'll find out. We've got to open up the package first. And hopefully not spill beads all over. Now these beads are different sizes, and I chose these because I wanted the white beads. I think these beads have holes in them, and there's a wire in the pheasant's eye socket. Never opening these beads before. I hope I don't spill them all over the place, because it looks like they unscrew. There we go. And hopefully beat a bit on the eye, on the piece of wire, and then yeah, like so. And now all I have to do is determine what color and paint the bead and then glue it in. Looking at my other clocks, after the hunt clocks, some of the pheasant's eyes are black and some of them look to be red. And so I'm going to make this pheasant's eye red. And here I have a permanent marker that I'm going to attempt to paint or color this eye red. And see what it does. Getting permanent marker all over my fingers. He's got an eye again, or she, whatever it is. It looks better than what it did. It's not a glass eye as they typically are, like the rabbit is. Hobby Lobby's got wobbly eyes, but they were bigger than that, all the ones I've seen, and that's why I chose the beads. So I think I'm going to glue that in and call it good. And what do y'all think? This shows you a better view of me using the New Life furniture mask on this clock. It turned out really well. I like it. Please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.